Okay, sige. Clean it, clean it. Yan, okay na. It's clear na. A bit clear. Tapon mo na, tapon. And then you use the the paste na and the scrub. Yan, yan, yan. The soap, the paste soap. Paste. Detergent, whatever that. Sige. Dapat konti lang kasi 1 lang naman. Pero sige na, sige na. Okay. Until the bottom, until the bottom. Look at what you're cleaning, oh. Yan. Sige. Outside. Slowly hat, madulas yan. Okay, set aside. Set aside. Okay na, set aside na. Put there. And you get the spoon. Spoon naman ang wawash mo with soap, with yan. Kunti-kunti lang na Ayusin mo maigi. Make sure. The important part is this one. Because that is what you put in your mouth. So make sure you clean that part. This one. Yan. Okay. That's okay na yan. Yan. Wash mo na. Slowly, slowly. Kasi mag-ano yung water. Mag-i-spill yung water. Up. No, don't put it there. Madumi yan, madumi yan. Yan, put there. Sige. Sige na. Running water na. Open mo na yung water. And you clean it with the running water. You need to remove the sabon na in your hand and in the spoon and the glass. Sige. Yan. Spoon first. If you feel that there's no sabon already, it's done. No sabon na. I'll put it na inside the lagayan. Ayusin mo. Where do I put the There. Next. Uy. Adami pang sabon, oh. Wash it. You need to remove all the sabon. If I let you use that, you're gonna use that with sabon. Ayusin mo. Inside and outside. Ganito ang like this, oh. Hold mo yan. Akin na. Like this lang, oh. Yan. Outside and inside. Ganyan mo dun yung mga you need to make sure that all the like that is in the strainer. Otherwise, it will clog. Okay? This is done. Put inside slowly. Put it where it's safe. Bottoms down. Like this. Like that. It's safe. And make sure you close this one so that no dirt will enter. Like that. That's just glass pa lang, ha? How was the experience? What?
Actually, no na.
You know na? Kutsara pa lang at glass ang inano mo.
I cleaned this house.
You clean the house?
Wow.
Are you sure? Let me see.
The chair's still there.
Which part did you clean, anak?
This.
Sige na, okay na, anak.